Thank you for tuning into my video today. I am bringing you something very special. This car is extremely hard to find. This is a 1964 Impala SS. It is the real deal. It is a numbers matching 327 factory 4-speed car. Let me tell you a little bit about the history really quick, then we'll get back to it. Found the car out of North Carolina. This had 59,000 original miles, rust-free vehicle. Then we restored her. It doesn't have a rock chip on it. All of your bright work is done. Rechromed the front and rear bumpers. Interior is beautiful on this car. Wait until you see the video. I'll even take it for a drive for you. She sounds, she is tough. This car is fully completed. If you are looking for that top level where she's done and she's beautiful, this is it. Even went as far as replace every piece of glass on the car, all the rubber, just drop in the key and enjoy the car. No hassles, no issues. This is a true must-have. If you are a collector of vehicles, this is one of those. Come on. Started with the 59,000 mile Survivor. It's been fully done. She only has 800 miles on the bill. 327, 4-speed. All the suspension's done. All your paint is done. Your chrome is beautiful. Every piece of glass on the car is new. What else can you possibly want out of a '64 Impala? Remember, this is the real deal. It is an SS car. It did come with a 327. What else is there to ask? She is beautiful. She's ready for you. She's a great investment.